Hey everybody, how are you? It's been a minute, hasn't it? Well, of course it has. How are you doing? I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. And as you can see, I am going to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree haul for Valentine's. Guys, before I go any further, would you please remind me to start my DIYs in June next year for Christmas? I'm telling you, I ran out of time. I just ran out of time. I'm going to need to start way ahead. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy the DIYs that you did see that I did. And I am looking forward to doing some decorating for Valentine's and doing a few DIYs for Valentine's. And then that's going to lead us right into Easter. Can you believe, you guys, how fast the time is going? It just blows my mind. Anyway, okay, I was shocked that my Dollar Tree had all of this stuff. And when I saw it, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get it now because, you know, the old saying, if you don't get it when you see it at Dollar Tree, it just probably won't be there the next time. Okay, with that being said, I got this welcome sign. I thought that was so cute. And then I've got a lot to show you because some of this stuff is not just for Valentine's, but I can use it for other things as well. Okay, well, really it isn't $1 anymore. Everything was $1.25 at my store. Okay, these tags I love, and any of you that know me know that I love the Mackenzie Child. Now, this is not Mackenzie Child, okay? But it has the feel of it when you put it together with Mackenzie Child inspired or things that you've bought, okay? So I did go for that black and white with red. Also, look at these. Look at these little frames. And I don't have them, oh, well, let me put my finger through. No, it's plastic. So up here, if you can see this, they have it to where you can take it out. Well, I want to check this, like the Mackenzie Child checking. And I might put a picture of my grandkids in here. So I got a couple of those. That doesn't necessarily have to be just for Valentine's. You see what I'm saying? I can use these for different DIYs. I can use them for Valentine's, but then I can turn around and do something else with them. That's what I like to do when I buy things. Okay, then they had these, and they had different sayings. I only got these two because, again, I probably won't leave it this color. When all is said and done, I'll probably paint it. And you don't need to keep these sayings. If you don't want these sayings, you can put something else on there. Again, that's why I got these. I do things thinking, okay, I could do other things with these in the long run. I don't have to leave them for Valentine's. Let me put them up here for you so you can see it a little bit. So I'm going to have to move these over because this is a big haul, guys. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree for a while. Then I got this. I thought this was cute, and I have an idea for this one. And again, for Valentine's, I don't mind the glitter. I'm not a real big glitter person, but for Valentine's, Christmas, 4th of July, I don't mind it. I really don't. But that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? Oh, but you know how I love this. Come on, are we talking Mackenzie Child here? I think so. I thought that was pretty. And what I like about the signs, they store so well because they're so flat. You can put a lot of them and still have room. And then this one I like because I like the saying. I don't know if I'll leave it just this way or if, I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. It says, welcome to our home. This is real. This is love. This is life. This is us. Forever, for always, no matter what. Kind of plain, but, you know, who knows? You can do something with it. All right. This one I thought was adorable. This is very retro. Kissing booth, 25 cents. Isn't that cute? And these are worth it because Hobby Lobby, I mean, for the signs, you'd pay $3, $4, okay? These I got plain because I want to either decoupage or paint them, okay? Again, with the Mackenzie child, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then Forever is Too Short with You. Okay, then they had all of their Christmas 50% off. So I got some more of these bulbs, and I got the blue and silver and the pink and gold. Now, I don't decorate with these colors for Christmas. What I'm thinking, because the tree, if you saw my home tour, I have a white. It's different than a Christmas tree, so I'm going to leave it up for different holidays. So I got this for Easter, okay, and I got these for the 4th of July. See, I'm thinking ahead because they're not going to have this kind of stuff probably for Easter or the 4th of July. And they were half off of $1.25, 75 cents. So I got those. Then, look. And they had like 3 each of these, but look. To go with my Mackenzie child, look at these. Aren't these cute? The little girl and the boy gnome. They have never had these gnomes in any of my Dollar Trees. Ever. So I thought those were really cute. And then I got this pink one, because this pink one doesn't have to be necessarily for Valentine's, because there's nothing on this that says Valentine's. There's no hearts, nothing. So I could use her at other times, even Easter. With her hands I could put an Easter egg, right? Then they had these, and they're wood, and they stand. And what I like about these, on the other side, I might leave them the way they are on this side, but on this side I can do whatever I want with them. And again, they don't have to be just Valentine's. But it says love, XOXO, be mine, and cutie pie. And they're supposed to be like the conversation hearts. Then they had these, and I thought these were really pretty. There's one more. Look at these for Easter. This was with Valentines. I won't use them for Valentines, I'll use them for Easter. But these are really pretty glass apothecaries, and it's in the purple, and this is like a mint, kind of like a, I don't know, it's between a mint and a sage, and then almost like a rose color. But I thought that would be pretty for Easter. Then they had a couple of these houses, and again, I thought you could turn it over, and at Christmas time you could make, you know, a Christmas house. I just got 2. They had a few, but I just got this one because of the red and black, and I'm going to go ahead probably and either black and white polka dot, or maybe check or stripes. And then this one, home is where the heart is, love lives here. I got a couple of these snow globes because you can use these for anything. Anything at all. It doesn't have to be Christmas. So I got a couple of those, and those were 50% off of $1.25. I love these little cupcake holders, and I use them a lot with my faux food. And these were only $1.25. I can't remember how much they are at Hobby Lobby, but they're more than $1.25. And I could put cupcakes on here, and you don't have to just use these for Valentine's, because once your cake or your cupcake is on here, you're not going to know it's a heart. And if it is, whatever, but it's just a riser, okay? Then I also got some of this cotton twine, and it's the red and white and the red and the pink. Thought that was cute. I only got one of these, and you could put this on a candlestick with some fairy lights in here if you wanted, or just a votive, but I love purple. So I wouldn't necessarily just have to use this for Valentine's. I could just turn it around, right? They have this, and to me it's retro and I like it. The little heart with the big heart with the little heart in the middle. They had these, and they're little garlands, but they're pearls, and I got one in pink and red, and I was thinking more with my faux food. And it's 2 yards of each. They also had some of these little cupcakes, and I just liked them. They might be cute, like on a frame. I don't know for sure what I'll do with them, but I thought they were cute. And then they had these that you can paint. So this Be Mine, this will go with my bee theme, because I love the bee theme. And it goes to a side, or you can hang it. But you could put flowers out of this. They also had the little gnome. I thought that was really cute. And one more of the risers, because pink can be used any time of the year. Then they had a couple of these. They didn't have a whole lot of these, but the gnomes. And I got the gray and the red. Aren't those cute? And I always buy socks for every holiday, and they had gnome socks for Valentine's, so I got those. I also got, and this I wear all the time, there's 3 pair here, okay, for $1.25, well worth it. And I wear these at work. They're very thick, actually. I really like them, so I wear those. Then along with my Mackenzie Child, the love for that, Mackenzie Child has these black with white polka dots and the white polka dots with the black. And these are candle holders, so I got these just for every day. Got another pack of these hearts. I like them, and they'll go with my decor. And these stickers I thought were really pretty, because I do like to scrapbook, and I thought those would be cute, maybe on a scrapbook page, a couple of them. Then I always use these on my refrigerator, always use these, and this says stay upbeat, and it's a little beet. Isn't that cute? But then look at here, it has the calendar for all year. I thought that was really cool. Then I got this for a cake topper. I'll probably use that on one of my faux cakes. Then they had this. And again, it has hearts, but you don't need to use it just for Valentine's. This could go up with my faux food when I have it on my hutch. I like little pictures and sayings and stuff when I display the different things that I make. And these roses, I thought those were pretty. That looked pretty on a cake. Actually, I think they're barrettes or something. It says rose clips, so I don't know. Then they had a couple of these hanging. Hold on. It's all tangled, dang it. Hold on. It's supposed to be donuts. Again, with my faux food. I don't know if I'll leave it like this and hang it or if I'll cut it apart and just put them individually. But that was cute too. And again, that doesn't have to be just for Valentine's because it's little heart donuts. Then you know me, I love my bubble gum. Oh, yes, I do. So they... oh, I hate to admit that. So I got these two. And let me tell you, always look for the date on these. The date's important because if you don't, they could be rock hard. And this is good, Best Buy by October of 2023. Both of them say that. Then I got this, and this is a box of chocolates, real chocolates. But I'm not necessarily using it for the candy. I'm using it for the box, okay? For maybe a DIY. And the last thing, again, I'm divulging what I love. But I'll tell you, these Junior Mints Valentine are so good. So good. So I got some of those. Guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to be starting to take down my Christmas stuff probably this weekend and then put my Valentines up, and then I'm right into Easter. Can you believe that? I have missed you, and I am excited to share a few little DIYs for Valentine's. I want to thank you, everybody. I've gained a lot of subscribers. I want to thank you for that. I'm excited to get to know more of you by text and comments. Please share any kind of DIY you like that you think some of your friends might like. It helps me greatly. Hit that like button, share. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.